How to turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn off Instagram profile picture zoom automatically on your Instagram app. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open Instagram app on your device. So simply open the app Instagram. Alright, so after you open the Instagram, you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here you'll have to tap on three line just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the section like who can see your content. So from that section you'll have to go with the option account privacy. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now in the account privacy section, you'll go to options like allow profile picture expansion. So right now I'm not getting that options. It may be because I am using Android or something. That feature is not available on my region. So if you have the iOS or you are in the region who support that feature, you have to turn off that feature allow profile picture expansion from here. So after there, your problem might be solved now. So now for the another method, you'll have to just back from here, and now in this section you'll have to tap on edit profile option. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here to turn off the Instagram profile picture zoom, you'll have to tap on this change profile picture. So simply tap on it. And now from here, make sure that you have added a sticker on your Instagram profile pictures. Alright, so after you done this from here, you'll be able to turn off the Instagram profile picture zoom easily. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.